Okay, so ang pag-uusapan naman natin ngayon ay isang post na galing sa Reddit, sa r/alasfeel subreddit. And meron ditong isang post na alam kong lahat tayo ay makaka-relate, regardless kung lalaki ka man or babae. And the post goes, just wanna say nakakapagod magpahalaga ng taong hindi ka pinapahalagahan the way you deserve. Yung bare minimum effort lang, yung parang hindi mo maramdaman na special ka talaga. Parang nawawalan na rin ako ng gana makipag-engage uli sa mga lalaki in general. Ayoko na ng potential heartaches this 2025. Gusto ko lang naman na gustuhin at mahalin ako ng taong G na G sa akin. Yung all-in talaga. Yung iba, engaged na, nagpapakasal na, may mga baby na. Pero ako, nandito pa rin. Kinu-question ko ang halaga ko sa lalaking nagugustuhan ko. Nakakapagod na. Ang sakit nyo sa anit. Okay, thanks, bye. Unang-una, I just want to say na I'm sorry for what you're going through right now. And alam ko naman, most of us mga sigarilyo dumaan na rin sa gantong klaseng sitwasyon. So ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo, OP, is just don't give up on relationships. Lahat tayo dumadaan sa ganyan. Ako nga din mismo, many years ago, question ko rin yung sarili ko. Sabi ko, what the fuck is wrong? Gusto ko lang naman magmahal. So right now, it's okay to rest. Don't jump into another relationship until you have fully recovered from your ex, ha? Yung tipong maghahanap ka ng iba para lang ma-fill yung gap ng nararamdaman mo. Do not do that because if you do, 99% of the time, it will not work. Bakit? Kasi you're not a whole person yet. If you jump into another relationship agad, you are relying on someone else to fill in that hole. At hindi yun ang whole ng ibig ko sabihin na. Ay, nako. What I meant to say was, if you do that, you are relying on someone else to fill in that gap. And that is not the way to do it. The way to fill in that gap is for you to love yourself first. Mahalin mo sarili mo. Pamper yourself. Go to the gym and get back in shape. Hang out with your friends and family. Build your confidence back up. At isang magandang kaakibat nyo sa pagpapaganda ng katawan ay ang creatine. More specifically, itong athlete na creatine, Ang ginagawa kasi ng creatine ay nagre-retain siya ng water sa muscle mismo. And in turn, it will make your muscles look more fuller and bigger. Iti-take mo lang siya once a day. Regardless kung umaga, hapon, or gabi. And sobrang tagal din niyang maubos. Ito last month ko lang to binili, pero ngayon, putik, ang dami pa rin talaga. Solido. Click nyo lang yung yellow basket dyan sa baba to get yours. Salamat, but I digress. Then, once you have fully healed na from your ex, only then you could try to step into the dating world again. Alam nyo, minsan pa nga, real talk lang pag minamahal mo yung sarili mo and you're genuinely happy, not because of someone else, but because you're loving yourself ng totoo. Minsan, saka lang dumarating yung taong para sa atin talaga. Totoo yan. And I can attest to that. Bigla na lang sila dumarating na parang nandyan na siya sa pagmumukha mo, di ba? Kaya please, love yourself first. Do not put the key to your happiness in someone else's pockets. Isa ding mapapayo ko sa'yo is, of course, learn from your mistakes. Hindi nga lang nakalagay doon sa post mo yung mga previous mistakes mo, kung meron man. Ikaw na mismo ang nakakalam niyan Learn from those and never repeat them. Kasi kung inulit-ulit mo din yan, guess what? History will just repeat itself. The definition of insanity, according to Einstein, is you keep doing things over and over again, expecting different results. And lastly, regarding do sa sinabi mo na yung iba, nagkakaanak na, nag-aasawa na, etc. All I can say is do not compare yourself with other people's timelines. Iba-iba tayo ng timeline, mga sigarilyo. Instead, what you should do is compare yourself to who you were yesterday. Be 1% better than yesterday. Wag na wag niyong i-compare yung sarili niyo sa timeline ng ibang tao kasi madedepress ka lang, sa totoo lang. It's useless. Well, I hope nakatulong ko sa inyo and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.